In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Opera GX ran out of memory. If you're seeing the ran out of memory error in Opera GX, don't worry. This issue can happen when the browser uses more memory than is available, or when too many tabs, extensions, or browser features are running at the same time. Fortunately, there are several built-in settings you can check to help improve memory usage and get Opera GX running smoothly again. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple adjustments that may help resolve the problem. To get started, open Opera GX on your computer. Once the browser has fully loaded, close any tabs that you no longer need. Having dozens of tabs open at the same time can significantly increase memory usage, especially if some of those websites contain videos, animations, or other resource-intensive content. Next, open the GX control panel by clicking the GX control icon in the sidebar. If RAM limiter is enabled, review its current setting. If the memory limit is set too low, Opera GX may run out of available memory more quickly. Increase the limit, or temporarily turn the RAM limiter off to allow the browser to use more of your computer's available memory. After that, open the Settings page in Opera GX. Scroll to the Extensions section and review the extensions you currently have enabled. Disable any extensions that you don't regularly use, since each extension consumes memory, even when it's running quietly in the background. While you're in Settings, scroll to the System section. If hardware acceleration is available, try toggling the setting. If it's currently enabled, turn it off and restart the browser. If it's already disabled, try enabling it instead. Depending on your computer's hardware, changing this setting may improve browser performance and stability. Next, clear your browsing data by opening the Privacy and Security section in Settings. Choose the option to clear cached images and files, then complete the process. Removing old cached data can help Opera GX perform more efficiently. After making these changes, completely close Opera GX and open it again. If the error still appears, restart your computer to clear memory being used by other applications before launching the browser again. If the problem continues after trying these steps, make sure you're using the latest version of Opera GX, since browser updates often include performance improvements and fixes for stability issues. Those are some of the most effective ways to fix the Opera GX ran out of memory error and improve your browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,